Welcome back to this multi-time frame forecast. We're going to be going over Euro Japanese yen. And for this video, we're going to do a quick update on the trade that we had entered. And as you can see, we're currently in a drawdown. We're testing this 127 extension, which is also coinciding with this descending trend line, a W pattern on the monthly time frame structure, as well as structure itself. So what's happening here is we're still trading below this significant area of structure at the 126 level, but what we're hoping to see is not only this indecisive candle to get completed, but also for this indecisive candle to act as potential support, resistance moving forward on the daily time frame and the weekly time or 4-hour time frame. So if we come down to the daily, we can see that we're actually making strides for lower lows and lower highs right here, right here. So if we can actually just come down, continue to treat this as respect this as resistance, and then come back and test this once more as resistance, making another leg lower, then we can start potentially looking for some sorts again, either once again as a down average or to enter in on the trade completely new if you missed the trade already. So for this particular instance, we're actually in a very minor downtrend right now, so it's not too crazy. I can tell you where we actually entered, and we put our stop loss just above this area of structure. So right now we still have about 30% left before we hit our stop loss, and what we're going to be doing in the meantime is just monitoring price to make sure that we can not hit our stop loss, and we can prevent it manually if we can. So if we go down to our 4-hour time frame, we can throw on the script that we created, and you can see here on the 4-hour structure that we have two highs right here, and this third high is actually respecting and trading below this area of structure. So it's still telling us and giving us indication that we are getting exhausted on the market. And as you can see, the EMAs are starting to get ready to cross over, in addition to structure making a push downward as well, as we can see with these lower lows as well. So we have some sideways consolidation on this 4-hour time frame. We are respecting this 126 zone as resistance. EMAs are about to cross back over, and structure on the daily is giving us an indecisive doji candle. So these are good indications that we are looking at continuing to respect this zone as resistance. And if that is the case, then we can continue to leave the trade in with this minor drawdown and go towards our intended target. Now, on the other possibility that it doesn't turn back over, all we're going to have to do is just hit our stop loss. Like I said, you can't win every single trade. The most important thing is just wealth preservation, and the way to do that is by using proper risk. So this is Euro Japanese yen. Once again, if you guys are taking some trades and you guys are scraping away some pips with us, feel free to like this idea. If you guys are finding it educational, or you guys are finding these setups helpful and you guys are taking them as well, like this idea, comment pairs you want us to cover in future videos down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.